guys, welcome back to my channel Journeys and Colors. I am Hetal and I make videos on travel and art. So today's video is related to something unique, something beautiful and something that promotes ecotourism so well. It is about Vela's Turtle Festival. So without any delay, let's start. Velas is a small village in Konkan region. It is located near Harihareshwar, or you can say in Ratnagiri district. Not near, but somewhere there. So what makes this small village so famous? Let's see. So guys, have you heard about olive ridley turtles? If yes, then that is good. If no, then I will give you information about that.
Olive ridley turtles are the marine turtle species that are endangered. They have olive green color, hence their name is olive ridley, and they thrive in warm waters of Indian and Pacific Ocean. However, there is an interesting fact about these female turtles. Wherever they are in the world, they swim all the way to the same coast where they were born to lay their eggs. So around months of November and December, hundreds of female turtles come on the coastal Velas to lay their eggs. They dig a conical pit in which the eggs are laid, and female turtles cover them with the sand, leaving the eggs unattended. Hence, they fall easily prey to various animals and birds. So, it was very necessary to protect them. So, the organizations Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, along with Forest Department of Maharashtra and Kasav Mitra Mandal, started a conservation project for marine turtles, a project to save the turtles. They knew that only way to make this project sustainable is to educate and involve locals and ensure that locals benefit economically out of it. And the concept of ecotourism was implemented in Velas. So now locals are involved in every step of the process, that include from surveying the beach for the eggs, transferring them to artificial hatcheries, monitoring the whole process and recording dates till the eggs hatch, and releasing hatchlings on the beach, and offer hospitality in the form of homestays and home cooked meals. Just look at these baby turtles, they are so cute. So these baby turtles are released on the same day they are hatched. They are not directly released into the waters, instead they are kept on the surface of the beach, some 15-20 human footsteps away from the water. And what makes these baby turtles interesting is that from the time of the eggs were laid, they were on their own. There was no one to guide them. But when they are kept on the beach surface, they know in which direction the sea is, which is a miracle. A creature that has just opened its eyes without any guidance, it knows where its forever home is. It is said that these babies come to know about the direction from the sound of the waves and sound of the water. So they follow the sound to reach home. When they are kept on the beach surface, slowly they crawl with their tiny flappers, forming a beautiful design, and slowly slide into the sea. It took around 20 to 30 minutes for all the turtles to go into the sea, and it was such a happy and relaxing moment. In a day, there are 2 times these hatchlings are released. One is in morning around 7 a.m. and other one is in evening. Please make sure that you reach on time as to not to miss the hatchling view. And the other few spots which are near Velas that you can go is Bancot Fort and Harihareshwar Temple and Beach. There are many groups from Mumbai and Pune that conduct trips for Turtle Festival in Velas and Anjarale. However, I had done this trip with Travel Tricon. I usually do treks and solo trips with Travel Tricon group. it is on your luck that you will get to see the hatchlings, because there are days when no eggs are hatched and there are days when multiple eggs hatch at the same time.
Hi guys, I hope you liked today's video on Vela's Turtle Festival, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you like today's video, please let me know in the comment section below if you have seen this Vela's Turtle Festival, or have you witnessed something like that somewhere else. Do let me know in the comment section regarding this scene. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.